coach, both of these teams, just like their 18 and under
Yes.
counterparts, they do not have a win yet in this young season 2 of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. His mouth.
Oh.
Hopefully it's nothing too serious. As Garcia is on the fast break, makes that layup, iron, but it is rebounded by De La Trinidad.
And this number 11 guy, Malumpay, is their key player here for Mike Kawayan. He made 40.
This is a pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play. Carl Canapi.
That was a difficult catch.
But they get the offensive rebound. Here's Canapi weaving, bobbing and weaving, but he passes it. And that is a shot for Malupay.
He made 4 points already in the game.
And a steal there by Mikawayan. And the layup by Malupay.
Adding
You're expecting him, I'm expecting him to show up in this ball game. He did score 16 points. He is averaging 16 points for Davao.
Oh.
It's now 12-2 as Balita, nice fake. And the basket there. Attack. But he's stuffed. Canapi will throw up a three. No good. Offensive rebound, and that is a short jumper for Flores. Here's Gimarangan. Pushes it up. Nice layup by Samson, showing his strength. They got out early and limited the Davao King Thorns to 8 points. We'll be back. This is Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 2. Hot for the Mikawayan Bamboo Archers as Carl Canapi is still trying to get his groove back from Perito. That pass was a little wide, but Perito gets it and makes that shot underneath. And sees Don Benitos, ang pambansang kasama. That short jumper is good for Kurt Flores
For this on the first half
for the Davao King Thorns.
for the Davao King Thorns.
And that shot is in for 8% free throw shooting in 24 minutes. As that layup from Jared Caranzo doesn't go in. But the put grabbed 6 rebounds in 16 minutes in their last game against the King Thorns. Looking for options. They've got 9 seconds on the shot clock. Nice pass by Balita to Salvacion.
Good pass.
MVP last year. Jumper is in for Sean Garcia, but up ahead.
Wow.
And for that easy layup.
Malupay and Canapi are their 1-2 punch for.
It's a 10-point lead for Mikawayan. Garcia with a floater. Bounces around the rim and finally in. Mikawayan Bamboo Archers trying to figure out who will come out here with their first win in Season 2 of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. And here's Canapi. Over to Malupay. This is Malupay now. That shot is up and in.
Finally,
Evaristo.
finally they attack by passing it around. A couple of possessions back then, either trying to shoot for threes.
As Ivan Matangihan also attacked. Oh. Chunako underneath to Sam Mortin. And that short shot by Ray goes in. To the other side. Nice fake. Back to Garcia. Garcia attacks. And that layup is in. Up ahead. That layup doesn't go for Barreto. But the putback. Here's Garcia.
Oh,
Nice pass.
and that's and I think this is what Davao wants for May Kawayan rushing their shots.
As Gimarangan finally knocks down his... Let's take a look at this shot by Garcia, hung in the air. Here is Garcia once again, directing traffic. Gimarangan spots up for three. Yes, sir!
Here goes.
That is...
And you said, oh, he's a streaky shooter. We can see it now.
But he jumped a little too early for that layup, missing it. But that one does not miss for Perita. Take another look at this. Ryle Gimarangan spotting up for three. He's got one more coming in, but this one is from Perito. Bamboo Archers scored only 5 points, limited to only 5 points in this quarter, as the Davao King Thorns have come along.
Davao to catch up and leading in this game.
Now at 6:44 to 38. Here's Malupay. Malupay on the attack. That ball is stuffed by Aquino. One more try, and finally Gatchalian with the basket. Well, at least that's a lot better than the 30.
Well, that's true.
As Kanapi gets that short jumper to go in.
In this early stage of the fourth quarter.
But Aquino couldn't hold on to that ball. Here's Kanapi with the layup. He knots. Here's Samson. Gives it up to Gimarangan. He wanted to get it to Balita. Gets it to Samson instead. And Samson, once again, a show of strength. Here's Garcia. Garcia goes up for the jumper. Yes! Let's take another look at that layup from De La Trinidad over the outstretched arms of... Here's Gimarangan. Thought about the three. Getting a screen from Aquino. Goes for the jumper. Yes! Here's Gimarangan. Again, he's asking for a screen. Gimarangan cooking. Spins. Goes up for the jumper. Yes, sir! He likes the matchups he's getting. Gimarangan kicks it out to Perito. Perito for the short jumper. Yes, sir! 54 to 49. Backstop by the impressive play of Ryle Gimarangan. We'll be back. And it is rebounded by Caranzo. Here's Kanapi. The layup is in. In the hands of Ryle Gimarangan. Gimarangan finds a path inside. And he gets that pound for pound foul count.
Move there by Gimarangan.
And he has a Perito, but no good. Here's Carl Kanapi. 1 minute and 18 seconds to go here in the fourth quarter. Kanapi makes that three. Yes, sir, Carl. Gimarangan. This free throw. Gimarangan is 2 for 2. Alzaga. That ball is stolen. It's now with Perito. Gimarangan. Back to Perito. He is fouled.
I was wondering how come Kanapi didn't go down and bring down the ball.
Perito. To Perito. Gets it to Gimarangan. Up ahead is Samson. Samson with the layup. And that's in. Kanapi. They need to act fast. And Kanapi goes up. And that will go. 22 seconds to go in the quarter. Garcia pitches it up ahead. That's a turnover. And De La Trinidad makes the basket. Davao looked to be close to getting that win. Hearing chants of defense. Carl Kanapi with that three off ball. Perito gets it to the other side. This is Samson. Drop pass to Aquino. What a play. Here's Kanapi. Kanapi goes up. No good. Ball is stepped out of bounds and will go to Davao. As time.